Yo, what is going on, people? Today we are on the 2024 Ninja Zx6r fur bike, learning how to circle wheelie this thing bone frickin' stock. I am nervous, people. Conscious. Today we are trying to wheelie our first full fairing bone stock Ninja Zx6r. This bike right here has been the Project Ninja 2024 Zx6r. We bought it wrecked. Didn't have a gas tank, it didn't have fairings, so we had to bring our own parts just to get this thing running. But we slapped together some 19 through 23 fairings that we had laying around, and this is what it turned out to be. I wanted everything to match. I wanted to bring back that old school love from the early 2000s stunt scene, pay tributes to the Zoo crew, Adrenaline crew, Street Fighters,
and the Star Boys.
This video is my tribute to the early 2000s stunt scene, the pioneers of stunt riding, freestyle stunt riding. Those guys had no special stunt parts for the most part, no handbrakes. So today we're going to be using the foot brake on this bone stock 2024 Zx6r and trying to accomplish some circle wheelies. We have 270 miles on this thing. All right. Look at that fur, baby. All right, this is the way I'm gonna be wheeling when I circle, so I'll get more practice this way. This bike makes some crazy sounds. Alright, we're getting there. Kind of hitting that perfect balance point, and then when the bike's just doing nothing but floating, we can kind of start to carve it and see what happens. Woo! Gets you butterflies, man. You got a lot to risk. I put a lot of time into this fur. This is the wheelie button, by the way. If you guys installed one, you could do wheelies like this. Alright, that's what we want right there. That clutch up's got to be so perfect, especially with the fairings. You have like no leeway. You got to give it balls. Oh. All right, we got Tim Diesel out here filming for your boy because it's getting sketchy. It almost circles easier with the fairings. Like once it's in there, it's like got more weight to center it out. I feel it feels right now. I feel like I actually earned that stock bike circle wheelie. Woo! We fucking did it, people. Little sketch. Alright, we gotta get this sit down next. Oh, the bike is overheating. She gone blow! If you guys are gonna stunt these bikes out and you don't want them to blow up, number one thing, the oil pan. Number two thing is dual fans, dual R6 fans. She's saying hi. I'm gonna ride the other bike, I guess. We did it, boys! And girl? Probably like one girl watching this video, right? Hope I made the forefathers happy. Tony Prez, one of them, man. Yeah! I was nutty. Literally keeping balance on the ground with my hand planted. Yeah, buddy! Yeah! First high chair jump was a success.
Came from the bottom, down below. Remember them cold nights, I was sleeping on the floor, yeah. Always dreamed about the 4G, I had 2 feet, now they down below.